Opening an XTB trading account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit XTB's website. Go to XTB's official website to start the account opening process. Click on Open Account. Look for the Open Account or Start Trading button on the website's homepage and click on it. Fill out the application form. You'll be directed to an online application form where you will need to provide personal information such as your name, email address, phone number, and country of residence. Verify your identity. Follow the instructions to verify your identity. This may involve uploading identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. Provide financial information. You'll need to provide details about your financial status and trading experience. Choose account type. Select the type of trading account you want to open, such as a standard account or a demo account for practice. Read and agree to terms. Review XTB's terms and conditions, risk disclosure, and privacy policy. Once you've read and understood them, agree to proceed. Fund your account. After your account is approved, fund it with the required minimum deposit using one of the available payment methods. Start trading. Once your account is funded, you can start trading various financial instruments offered by XTB, including forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and stocks.